This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Install Android Studio Electric Eel 2024, one or later on your computer. Download and run the official installer from the Android site. Set Java 11 as the project JDK in Settings before opening FTC projects. Install Android SDK API Level 31 and the Android SDK Platform Tools. Enable USB debugging on your robot controller phone or control hub. Connect the device with a reliable USB cable to the development machine. Confirm drivers install and the device appears in a DB Devices. Import the FTC SDK project using File, Open, and select the main build. Gradle file. Allow Android Studio to perform a Gradle sync and download dependencies automatically. Accept any SDK licenses that appear during the sync process. Open project structure and confirm the Java 11 SDK and Gradle version compatibility. Select the robot app module and choose debug or release build variant before running. Set the target device in the run configuration to your connected phone or control hub. Clean and rebuild the project to verify there are no compilation errors. Run the app with the Run button and select your connected robot device from the deployment dialog. Watch the build window for APK installation progress and confirm success. Open Logcat to view runtime messages, telemetry, and error stack traces while testing op modes. Use a DB Logcat for extended logs and to capture crashes or permission issues. If installations fail, reboot the robot device and retry the install procedure. Update Android SDK tools and platform tools, then reinstall the APK manually when necessary. Test all op modes and verify hardware mappings before your competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.